Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's pre-match analysis of KKR versus SRH, the eliminator. Both teams find themselves in this position because they lost important games at the wrong times, else they could have been in top 2. KKR, although they made it in the top 4 by beating SRH in the last game at Eden Gardens, their home ground. They brought in Kuldeep Yadav and they reaped rich returns. They were missing Andre Russell in that game, but Andre Russell is fit now. He is the best player in T20 cricket in terms of all-round skills. He bowls quick, he opens the bowling for KKR, bowls more than 140 Ks. He's been really economical in this tournament and taken a lot of wickets. Coming down the order, he hits plenty of 4s and 6s, and along with Yusuf Pathan, gives a lot of power to the KKR batting lineup. SRH, well, their bowling has been brilliant in this tournament, but Karan Sharma has been their Achilles heel. In the last game, he went for more than 13 runs per over. He was the most expensive bowler, so he should be dropped tonight. They might bring in the seeming all-rounder Ashish Reddy, or Vipul Sharma might get a game in. SRH, they have depended a lot on David Warner's form and Shikhar Dhawan's form. These two openers have done well. In the last game, David Warner did not click and SRH failed to chase down 170 yards. They lost by 20 odd runs to KKR. So David Warner has to come good if SRH has any chance of winning this really important game. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Mustafizur Rahman, Barinder Sran, Moises Henriques, they all bowled well. Deepak Hooda got 2 wickets in the last game. On a turning track like Delhi, he might be coming good. KKR, they have a few left-handed batsmen in their lineup, including the captain Gautam Gambhir. Gautam Gambhir, he's been run out too many times in this tournament, so he would like to run properly today and make sure that he doesn't get run out. If he plays 20, 25, 30 balls, he can score 40, 45 runs. That's really important. Their opening partnership has been good. Robin Uthappa has been in really good touch. Manish Pandey, he scored a quick fire 48, 49 runs in the last game. Yusuf Pathan got another 50. He's done really well in this tournament with the bat. And given SRH opens with 2 left-handers and David Warner and Shikhar Dhawan, he might actually bowl the first over, bowling his off spins. Kuldeep Yadav did brilliantly in the last game. Sunil Narayan, now he is showing the signs of real form. He bowled brilliantly in the last game. Morny Morkel, he might make a comeback today, depending on what kind of combination Gautam Gambhir wants. Colin Munro, he might miss out if Morny Morkel comes in. If they want to keep this a stronger batting lineup, they might go in with Colin Munro again. Overall, my money is on KKR on this game because I don't see the SRH middle order performing. Yuvraj Singh has been patchy. He's contributed well in 2 games, but otherwise he's been really ordinary, getting out to bad shots. Naman Oja, he was promoted in the last game. I have no idea what David Warner's thought process was regarding that particular choice. He played 25 balls for 15, 16 runs, put a lot of pressure on Shikhar Dhawan. Eventually, Shikhar Dhawan, who was playing brilliantly, he got out. Kane Williamson has been woefully out of form. Hyderabad has played Williamson and Wayne Morgan. They've been interchanged, but none of them have come good. Deepak Hooda, just like Gautam Gambhir, getting run out too many times. He's a good hitter of a cricket ball. He can hit the big 6s, so he needs to make sure he runs properly. Moises Henriques has been good with both the ball and the bat. I mean, his bowling has been better than the batting. Overall, Sunrisers will have to bat really well to win this game because KKR, they also have a really good bowling lineup, a good combination of spin and fast bowling. Sunrisers, they rely mostly on their fast bowlers for taking wickets and for curtailing the runs. My money is on KKR for this game, and if KKR wins this game, they are going to meet Gujarat Lions in the second quarter. So I'm cheering for KKR today. The Delhi track is going to support their spinners. SRH, they'll be really missing a good spinner on this particular track. So all the best to both the teams. Go KKR.